over there. Big day today.
Really?
Yeah, for Carl. He hasn't been looking forward to it. He's been whinging in the week. A couple of things. He thinks he's overworked. He thinks he's overworked here, and he's stressed. He's got to do DIY. MTV are coming in right, to give him the chance of his a lifetime to do just a little MTV on VH1 in the future.
How much is it? How much? I mean, she can't answer. What do you reckon I'll get? Because you see, the annoying thing is, I've just bought a flat in London.
Yeah.
In central London.
Yeah.
MTV's in Camden.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have bought in central London if I'd have known I'd had to go there. That was to make my life easier so I could walk to work. So now I've got to go out of my way. So I need to...
3:30 on a Friday afternoon. It's just a bit... And that lorry was really going for it.
You are in a BMW X5 45e PHEV plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Yes.
Yeah, they just dropped it off a day or two ago. So
I did that famous march with Dr. King in 1963, and being a participant in that wonderful historic
writing a book about the Britishers, and he said that in Hungary he produced the hot water bottle to enhance sex, but this
You just rolled as babies. Well, I mean, so children. Yeah,
They're giving the children the gun.
But that's lovely. They give them 10 each, so they could have won thousands of pounds. A lot of them were disappointed when they won nothing, but I said, kids, that's the gamble.
That's the rich dude's thing when you receive a gift from me.
He's staying up here playing with this. Brother comes in, he's had a few. Right, he's going, yeah, give us a go on your
How old is he?
He's a bit older than me, so he Claire Rayner, she took advice, she gave people advice, so that's a 4.5.
That is shit. I'm sorry, Merry Christmas, that is absolute garbage.
But it's another thing where you have a reason for doing something and then a way of doing something. He's not very happy.
That dog?
That man.
Oh, why not?
Now at quickfit.com or visit your local centre. Quickfit, going away happy. Imagine how it would feel to win £10,000. Like me a smash in the set life, you can win £10,000 every month for 30 years.
Really pushing money into the markets, killing off the game, because you don't want to be in your 50s, 60s, now thinking, oh my god, I haven't got enough money.
Well, long ago, it uses no glue interior because glue is one of the contributors to Newcastle. Now, there are loads of reasons why Newcastle is a thing, though. I investigated this years ago and I got so much research that I panicked to do all this.
well, Travis can use them, and they're warm places.
She's just sort of famously a bit sour, and she has, by quirk, no one around here has driveways generally, but by a quirk of where her house is on a corner, she has a little driveway, and she has an old shaped Polo, like a 90s one, and it's perfectly small enough to fit on her drive, but she never parks her Polo on her drive, and she never parks in front of her drive, she parks in front of her house. And if anyone parks in front of her drive, she leaves a note on their car. This is just sort of well known in our neighbourhood. Don't park in front of that drive, because even though she doesn't seem to ever use it, she gets very narky if anyone blocks her.
We would be in grave danger of looking like one of those TV evangelists who claims that he's humble and thanks for all the donations before getting onto his private crisp white jet and flying to the...
See what ball basketball used to be a sport. You find a trainer that can do that, because usually you're paying the trainer, right? You're giving the trainer money, and the trainer's like, do this, and you're doing it because you're like, I'm paying you, so I need to go as hard as I can.
It's like,
welcome to
Use
our
your
list of
indicator,
pirate
mate.
buddy. We missed you. Donald, did we miss you?
I always miss you. Hi, Joel. Hi, Dan.
Well, hi, Daniel. How are you guys doing?
And I have been holding on to this tradition of putting on Christmas music and decorating our tree. And the idea that we might not do it on that Saturday, but maybe we do it Sunday.
That was the Pink Robots on XFM 104.9. I'm Ricky Gervais. With me is Steve Merchant and Carl Pilkington. Good morning. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to own up straight away. I've done very little work towards this show this week. I'm a bit busy.
You surprised me.
Yeah. So I apologise if it sounds.
Well, they did it then, twice last night, once this night, that's 4 times. Five times she's mentioned this night.
Yeah.
She did well. My husband, this is great. My husband thinks it might be his new moustache. Or that I'm going through the menopause.
You were thinking of growing a moustache?
I was
Just
thinking
thinking of
of
changing up with the ladies?
I love that that's what he thinks it is. He's telling me he's making me go. The other Tom said it 5 times. Hooray for sexy days. So, what do you make of that? What are your views on that?
I've got though. If that bloke is reading that paper, that narrows it down.
It's got
a bit.
to be, yeah.
Who else did he know? His wife liked Darius. He's had sex 5 times, and he grew a new moustache. He's thinking, I wonder if that's me.
Maureen.
Yeah, go on.
Last week, of course, it was a disaster.
Yeah, every Saturday at 16 minutes to 2, we do Rockbusters.
I have to say that I've not really gone through the prices to be exact.
Steve Merchant, Carl Pilkington. We've got a lot to get through. We've got things like radio to play. We've got Feeder. We've got Teenage Fan Club. We've got 2 new competitions, Steve.
Go on.
Great one coming up. I think.
On the pavement, maybe?
Next time you want to give a present, I just want to like look like on your chin.
You know what I'm going to sign it? I'm going to sign it. That's what happened.
That's what happened.
So that's what happened.
Danny says to Soup Nazi, it's 5 to 9. That
What are you
Robert's
doing?
not gonna make it.
That was great.
Laugh out loud. That was fun.
I mean, and the Tara Reid arc, he's helping people in that scene with Aloma and Rob. It was like they had nothing to do.
But yeah, I didn't even know they were in the scene until she's pouring the champagne and then he gets pushed over the table.
Right, but it was like a Downton Abbey dinner scene. Everybody had
Even the monkey didn't go for videos. Even the monkey knew about videos. They weren't getting on VHS. It was on VHS.